Have you ever thought about becoming a real estate investor? Well, most new investors don't really think of it as a business. But the truth is, once you acquire your first real estate property, you have essentially simultaneously started a business. Welcome to Rich Liberation, where we help you turn your dreams into your reality. In today's video, I will teach you how to build a successful real estate investing business. Let's begin. Number 1. Chunk out blocks of time to work on your real estate goals. Make sure that you inform everyone in your life that you are not to be bothered during this time. That includes your spouse, your kids, your client, your potential joint venture partners that you're working with, contractors, employees, and anybody that has access to you. You want to make sure this time is blocked out and it's for you to focus on building your business. Number 2, plan your day the night before. That way you can be proactive rather than reactive. When you react to everything, it is not productive and it causes unneeded stress and overwhelm. Remember, there's a great saying that states, when you stay ready, you never have to get ready. Number 3, be accountable to somebody. You gotta have somebody in your life that you can be accountable to. It could be a mentor, it could be a coach, it could be a really close friend, but you gotta make sure that they hold you accountable and they do not accept your BS excuses. Number 4, identify and consistently measure the critical drivers of your real estate investing business. When you have a bad month financially, what are the 5 things that broke or didn't get done? These are the critical drivers. Number 5, find and eliminate the expenses in your real estate business that are not contributing to getting new clients, new tenants, new real estate investment properties, and are simply not necessary for your business. Number 6, run your real estate investment business so that your tenants and clients want to stay with you long term. The real money in real estate investing is when you play the long game. You want to think long term. Number 7, build a solid team of real estate professionals that can help you scale your business and your real estate portfolio. These are going to include people like a great real estate lawyer, a coach or a mentor that's done these things before you and can teach you and guide you, a really great accountant that can handle your taxes, a bookkeeper, a really great realtor that specializes in the type of properties you're acquiring and the area that you're looking in. You'll also need property managers, and you'll need several different contractors, just to name a few. But you want to start on building your team. The better the people are around you, the greater your real estate investing business will be, and the better chance you have at success. Number 8, always acknowledge your team and show them that you love and care for them by appreciating them and the work that they put in to help you build your business. Remember, this is your dream, your goal, and you're turning it into your reality. And these individuals are the ones that are going to help you do it. Number 9, increase your profits and cash flow with increasing the number of properties acquired, while simultaneously reducing expenses, increasing rents, and more revenue streams. Number 10, get clarity. Consistently execute and allocate resources to the critical few priorities that will drive the bottom line results in your real estate investing business. And number 11, eliminate, delegate, or outsource the minor, unproductive, time-consuming activities that are sabotaging your focus and progress. This is the key fundamental to success. You see, everything that you don't like to do or that you're not good at should be delegated to somebody else that's better at those tasks than you are. When you delegate those tasks, not only will it get done faster and better, but it frees up your time to focus on the most important parts of your business, and more importantly, it frees up your time to do the things you love with the people you love. Now, with all of that being said, I would really appreciate it if you take a quick moment to smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, as we're going to be dropping videos every week and educating you on how to turn your dreams into your reality. Comment below if you've got questions or you'd like us to elaborate more on these steps here that we're delivering for you today. And if you need any more skills and tools around building a real estate business that is highly lucrative, I recommend that you keep checking back, because we're gonna drop more golden nuggets and you want to be there to pick them up. Until next time, stay rich, stay liberated.